What? You want a piece of me?
The Thieving Tree Squirrel. Nature's little dickhead.
I'm sorry, did you want to harvest your apples? Oh, too bad, says the northern thieving tree squirrel. This amazing creature hops from tree to tree, yard to yard to steal the things you hold dear. They do appear cute and cuddly, but will soon be robbing you blind of your harvests and deck furniture. It's not all bad. Best thing about them is they also spread the plague, so that's something.
Here he is, stealing your wedding ring, jerk.
To thwart them stealing, just place a big bag of lawn soil in their way. Works great.
What did I tell you about the plague, huh?
They can be found on lawns, tall shrubs, and rooftops where... Oh no. Not again. Stop eating the wildlife, Mr. Mittens. No.